triangles. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing the topic Pythagoras theorem. There are three theorems in this topic you can see on the screen.
One is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we proved, and before that a small theorem. Using that theorem we proved Pythagoras theorem, then the reverse of Pythagoras theorem, and we were discussing some of the questions related to Pythagoras theorem. And today also we will continue that, some exercise related to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we start with this question, this one. Okay, O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. Prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. So a picture is given like this. ABCD is a rectangle, and O is a point inside the rectangle, any point inside the rectangle, and from O some line segments are drawn to the vertices of this rectangle. Okay, and we want to prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. Okay, so how we can prove this PQ we have constructed, okay, not in the picture. So we have drawn PQ. So to apply the Pythagoras theorem, okay. So how we can prove? How many right triangles can you see here?
Four,
right? In all those four right triangles, you want to apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So we can start from, can you say name of one right triangle here?
Sir, PQ perpendicular ആയിട്ടാണ് വരയ്ക്കേണ്ടത്.
Yes, we draw PQ parallel to BC and AD through O. In other words, we can say PQ is perpendicular to AB passing through O, point O. Okay. So these angles I shall mark here. This angle will be 90 degree. This angle also 90. This angle 90. This angle 90. So you can see four right triangles, right? So first right triangle, what's the name?
AOP.
AOP or APO. So we start from triangle APO. Apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle APO. What will you get?
AO square is
equal to AP square plus
AO square is equal to AP square plus PO square. Okay. In next right triangle, triangle BPO. Okay. Any order we can take. So I write BOP. So apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle BOP. What will you get?
AP square plus OP square equal to OB square.
Okay, OB square or BO square is equal to?
PQ എന്നുള്ള നമ്മളെ construction അല്ലേ?
Yes, PQ is our construction. BP square plus PO square. Okay, next triangle COQ, we can take COQ. So what will come?
CO square equal to?
CO square is equal to?
CQ square plus OQ square.
CQ square plus OQ square. Okay. Then next last triangle OQD.
OD square is equal to?
OD square is equal to?
DQ square plus OQ square.
Yes, OQ square plus DQ square. Okay. OQ square plus DQ square. Okay. So now you look what we have to do with this to reach in this. No. Can be in some situation, but most of the case it cannot be. It said that O is any point inside the rectangle. O can be in any place inside the rectangle. So the angle at O cannot be 90 degree, most of this case. Okay. So look here. So we want to add or do something. We want to reach in this result. OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. So adding, right? Adding. We can make it two pairs, then we can add. Okay. So we add this first triangle and this third triangle. What will you get? Add this equation number 1 and equation number 3. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 4. Equation number 1 and 3. What will you get if you add? Equation number 1 plus 3.
Sir, in this question, AP is equal to BP.
Can be in some situation, but most of the case it cannot be. AP is equal to DQ, we can say. AP is equal to DQ, and similarly BP is equal to CQ. These are possible. AP is equal to DQ and BP is equal to CQ are possible, but we cannot say AP is equal to BP because O is any point inside the rectangle. Yeah, but in this particular picture, it looks like AP is equal to BP, but that's wrong. Okay, so 1 plus 3, adding 1 plus 3, what will you get?
AO square plus CO square equal to
AO square plus CO square is equal to AP square plus
EO square
AP square plus PO square plus
Plus CQ
Q
square plus
Q
OQ
square
square.
plus
CQ square
Okay,
plus
square.
OQ
OQ
square.
square.
OQ square. Okay, and you add this 2 and 4. Question number 2 and 4. What will you get?
OB square plus OD square.
Node.
Okay, BO, right? BO square plus, then
OD
fourth one
OD.
OD square.
OD square is equal to BP square
BP
plus
square plus
PO square plus, then
P.
OQ square plus DQ square. DQ
Now
square.
subtract.
Okay, look here, by substituting, so if we prove that these two are equal, then we reached in the result, right? So here you look, this is the LHS of the first one is AO square plus CO square is equal to, that is this same. Okay, and here the second, in the second equation, here BO square plus OD square, that is, this is same. Okay, so you want to prove these RHS are same. So that's enough. So look here, we can substitute these values, this value. So what we'll get in the first one?
DQ.
Yes,
DQ square
DQ
plus
square plus DQ square plus
PO square plus
PO square plus, then for CQ
BP square.
we can substitute to BP, right? BP plus
OQ.
OQ we can write same. Are these two same? Here below and this, are these two same?
Yes.
Right. Here DQ is here, DQ is here, and PO is here in both, and BP square is there. Okay, BP square is also there, and OQ square is also there. So for this we can substitute this BO square plus OD square, right? So we substitute here BO square plus OD square. We reach in the result. So that's the result. AO square plus CO square is equal to OB square plus OD square. We got the result, right? AP and DQ are same, right? AP and DQ are same, and this CQ and BP are same. CQ and BP are same. We substituted those values, and this for sum. This for sum is equal to, the below we have written that this for sum is equal to BO square plus OD square. That we substitute here. Okay, BP square plus PO square plus OQ square plus DQ square is equal to BO square plus OD square. We substituted here. So we reached in the result. So just turning LHS and RHS, you will get the given equation. So that no need. We reached here, we just underline and prove. I repeat again, picture is given and we constructed line PQ parallel to BC and AD through O. And then we can see 4 right triangles. In those 4 right triangles, we applied Pythagoras theorem. Then what we did, we made pairs. First triangle and the third triangle. We just added, we got some equation like this. Okay, and we added second equation and fourth equation. We got some equation like this. And after applying these two relation, AP square is equal to DQ, AP is equal to DQ, and BP is equal to CQ, we reached that these two are same. These two are same. That's in the given statement. Okay.